Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Mike Maier from Mike Maier Incorporated, and I'm going to talk to you guys today about our Mod 2 rear suspension kit. This kit is what's underneath Old Blue. This is what's gotten Old Blue all its wins, not to mention taking my family on 4-hour drives up to the mountain and back. So if you're looking at getting the best suspension you can for your old school, and that's been proven, you're going to look at the Mike Maier Incorporated Mod 2 suspension. This is not some cookie cutter kit. It's a handcrafted, TIG welded assembly here in-house. What you're looking at here is a rocker arm assembly you're going to get with the kit, a panhead rod with a sway bar kit, all adjustable. You're going to look at a full floater speedway housing. That's got all the brackets TIG welded and multiple holes for adjustments. Torque arm assembly with adjustable pinion angle. Removable crossmember, full-length Mike Maier Incorporated subframe connectors. This kit, again, if you're going to build the final car, the best car for your old school, setup, this is going to be the kit you're going to get for your rear suspension. The Mike Maier Incorporated Mod 2. Go look at our website. It's MikeMaierInc.com. Also Facebook, Mike Maier Inc. Instagram. You can get all sorts of good pictures, information, and heck, even more videos. So we'll see you there. Thanks a bunch.